In the world of forestry, transportation is key. Today, we're featuring the industry's strongest machines designed to tackle the heaviest loads with ease. Let's dive. This beast of pure power dominates a landscape filled with obstacles. With huge logs in tow, it pushes through a slick, unforgiving dirt road. The loss of control becomes apparent as the vehicle reaches a slick section of road. Traction fails, the truck overturns, and the timber load scatters across the ground. It's impressive to see the Renault K480 pull large timber through very deep mud. The truck has great traction and a strong engine that keeps working without giving up. With both power and good driving skills, it can overcome anything in its way. The Lear 359 utilizes a CAT 3406 diesel platform for dependable torque output and long-term serviceability. Its Eaton Fuller 10-speed manual transmission enhances operational precision, while the differential lock provides added stability in low-traction environments. With a 50,000-pound GVWR and air ride suspension system, the truck maintains structural integrity and operator comfort across both industrial logging routes and highway duty cycles. Weight, steep slopes, and rough ground can challenge any machine. But this timber truck climbs and turns through the GOT roads with incredible control. Every corner tests how well the truck keeps its balance and how much power it has, but the driver's skill makes a risky situation look easy. The Mansainen 300, a 485-ton hydraulic crane with a 38-meter operating reach, requires specialized transport procedures for relocation. Goldhover modular transporters provide load distribution, while precision-trained operators ensure controlled movement. The final vessel loading phase highlights advanced heavy lift coordination and equipment interoperability. The muddy, uneven terrain pushes the vehicle to its operational limits. However, due to its robust powertrain and reliable traction system, the truck maintains forward progress with notable resilience and stability. This slope is extremely difficult for timber trucks, especially because of the mud. But the Mercedes-Benz truck still climbs it strongly, using its power and torque to keep moving upward with determination. Transport helicopters enable rapid removal of storm-fallen timber from high-gradient forest zones. With controlled lift operations and efficient cycle times, roughly 800 cubic meters can be extracted over a 2-day period. This reflects the operational capability and productivity of current-generation aerial forestry systems. Powered by an 800 horsepower drive unit, the EC1290 reduces full logs into uniform chips suitable for downstream applications such as biofuel generation, engineered wood products, and landscape material. Sarin is transporting a 230-ton reactor using KMOG SPMTs, combining high-capacity load handling with precise multi-axle articulation. Despite tight turning radii and complex route geometry, the convoy maintains controlled movement. Using heavy machines in the forest is hard and requires strength, accuracy, and trust. The Massey tractor has all of that. It's strong, well-balanced, and handles mud and slopes easily, which is why people choose it for serious forestry work. The driver stays incredibly calm even though the truck is shaking hard, almost like it's on a roller coaster. He still controls everything perfectly. It's the kind of moment that makes you hold your breath and feel the tension while waiting to see what happens. The BB63000 used to be a very powerful locomotive, and now it's being moved on a lowboy trailer for repairs. As it's pushed forward, it's clear that a tough maintenance process is about to begin. It will be interesting to see what happens next. Real power doesn't disappear, it becomes something new. The Pizzolatto TLA 15 Plus TB900 utilizes an integrated disc saw and automated splitting module to process heavy logs into standardized firewood segments. Its synchronized 5-stage workflow increases throughput consistency while reducing operational interruptions, supporting high-demand production environments. Three very large, very expensive transformers are being moved to the 380 kilovolt Westerly substation. The route goes through busy streets and tight corners, so everything has to be carefully coordinated. With more than 1,000 horsepower working together, the team performs this job with incredible accuracy. They deserve real respect. Equipped with an integrated skidder grab and variable speed feed chain, the WC2300XL delivers optimized whole tree chipping performance. The 440 HP CAT C13 engine ensures high output, while Smart Crush regulates feed pressure for consistent processing. Maintenance efficiency is enhanced through modular, high-wear components, making the unit well-suited for continuous industrial wood processing operations. The tractor maintains controlled ascent over uneven, high-risk, rocky terrain. Despite minimal tolerance for operator error, the maneuver is executed without incident. This reflects both the machine's robust design and the operator's advanced handling proficiency. The Valtra N154 E-Active, with a Nacella 325H, is designed for tough forestry work. It can move easily in tight spaces, but is strong enough to handle deep snow and steep slopes. It cuts accurately and is simple to control. This isn't just normal logging, it's smarter, more efficient timber work. The Scania F18R 580 timber truck is extremely impressive, especially in the Kelheim area. Its V8 engine is very strong, but also fuel efficient. That makes it perfect for carrying heavy loads of timber through difficult terrain. A 43-meter, 15-axle modular transporter relocated a 135-ton press element from Milnikport to Oslavani. The transport height reached 5.85 meters, with a gross weight of 230.9 tons, including the push tractor. Navigating bridge clearances and turning radii required precise coordination. The load was lifted using a single crane, and the operation spanned 3 demanding days, an exemplary display of advanced heavy haul capability. This extremely strong off-road logging truck handles Maine's rough forest paths with both power and precision. It's designed to work in places where there are no real roads, just nature.